If you've ever wondered whether Notion supports handwriting, the short answer is, kind of, but with limitations. In this quick 3-minute guide, let's break down what that really means and how you can still use handwriting effectively inside your Notion workflow. Notion doesn't have native handwriting input the way apps like GoodNotes, Apple Notes, or OneNote do. You can't write directly on the page with an Apple Pencil and have Notion convert your handwriting into text. Notion's editor is built around blocks, typing, databases, and structured layouts, so direct handwritten annotations aren't part of its core features right now. If you try to draw or write inside Notion, it won't behave like a drawing canvas. Your strokes won't snap into place or convert into digital text. But that doesn't mean you can't use handwriting at all, it just takes a different approach. The most common way freelancers, students, and digital planners use handwriting with Notion is by linking or embedding handwritten notes created in another app. For example, if you take handwritten notes in GoodNotes, NoteShelf, or Notability on your iPad, you can export the page as a PDF or image and upload it into Notion. Once it's there, you can tag it, organize it in a database, or link it to a project page. This keeps everything central while still letting you use the comfort of writing by hand. For people who love the tactile feel of handwriting but still want the structure of Notion, this becomes a really solid hybrid workflow. Another method is using the Notion mobile app's image or file block. If you prefer jotting things down on paper, you can take a photo of your handwritten notes and drop the image into a Notion page. It's quick, effective, and keeps everything stored in one place. You won't be able to scribble on top of the image inside Notion, but you can add typed blocks below it for summaries, tasks, or follow-up ideas. A lot of users do this when brainstorming or sketching diagrams that are faster to draw by hand than to recreate digitally. There's also a workaround using third-party widgets or whiteboard tools. Apps like Excalidraw or TLDraw allow handwriting and drawing, and some users embed those as web bookmarks or iframes inside Notion. This gives you a more interactive handwriting workspace connected to your Notion page, though the experience isn't perfectly seamless. If your goal is handwriting recognition, meaning converting your handwritten notes into typed text, you'll need to rely on your note-taking app to handle that before importing the content into Notion. Many handwriting apps offer OCR, so you can write freely, convert to text, then paste the results directly into Notion. This works surprisingly well if you're using a stylus and want both the handwritten version and the clean text version stored together. So while Notion doesn't support handwriting natively, you can still integrate handwritten notes into your system with a little creativity. Think of Notion as the hub where everything goes, rather than the place where you actually write by hand. If you want, I can walk you through building a smooth handwritten to Notion workflow based on the apps you already use.